There's another Jetta around the local area, and Volkswagen's smaller vehicle is growing up with striking new styling and an all-changed stage promising more fuel proficiency. Revealed today at the Detroit Auto Show 2018, the 2019 VW Jetta does a change to the automaker's MQB design and develops every which way accordingly. That, VW guarantees, implies more nearness out and about and more lodge space inside, also shutting the hole between the new Jetta and Audi's A3. Outside, the grille has developed, while the wrinkle lines on the Auto are more keen and bolder. More chrome trim has been fitted, while LED lighting is standard. VW has given the new Jetta a quick inclining rooftop line, to give the demeanor of a car. In spite of the fact that the 2019 Jetta is, at 105.7 inches, only 1.3 inches longer in its wheelbase than its forerunner. By pushing the wheels farther and shortening the shades, VW has figured out how to amplify that direct development. It's more extensive and taller than some time recently, which signifies more open lodging for the up to 5 individuals inside. Concerning those lodging, they've been completely upgraded from the Active Auto, with more noteworthy utilization of delicate touch materials and another, trapezoidal plan subject to leave the lodge more present day. New texture hues and outlines have been presented, and there's the choice of surrounding lighting that can be changed between 10 distinct hues. Cowhide seating surfaces are discretionary. Warmed and ventilated front seats are likewise choices, just like a power driver's seat with position memory. Double-zone programmed atmosphere control can be included, while driver personalization for up to 4 people is standard. That controls, trim and specs depending. Driver situate memory and help framework inclinations, temperature, surrounding lighting, shading, radio presets, Route C, and the customization of the Volkswagen digital cockpit. The last mentioned, standard on Jetta SL and SL premium trims, replaces the simple gauges with a completely computerized show. It's innovation that graduated down from Audi's virtual cockpit, bringing route, interactive media, and vehicle data into an adaptable design. Other tech on offer incorporates Volkswagen Carnet, which has a determination of associated vehicle administrations, alongside Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Mirror Link. A capacity cubby in the inside rear has developed to 5 liters, adequate to fit an iPad, while a 400-watt Beats audio framework is discretionary. The Jetta's turning around camera is standard, while alternatives incorporate forward crash notices with self-sufficient crisis braking, blind side checking with raise activity cautions, versatile journey control with unpredictable movement bolster, programmed high pillars, and path fly notices and help. Programmed post-impact braking is likewise accessible. In the engine, there's a 1.4-liter TSI turbocharged, coordinate infusion motor. That is useful for a class driving 147 pull and 184 pounds-to-foot of torque. Front-wheel drive is standard, just like a 6-speed transmission. An 8-speed programmed is discretionary on the construct Jetta, however standard with respect to more elevated amount trims. Likewise standard with the programmed is a stop-begin framework, which VW says adds to efficiency. Real EPA figures should hold up until nearer to the vehicle's dispatch, in any case. The 2019 Volkswagen Jetta will be accessible in Q2 2018, in S, SE, SL, and SL premium trims. A Jetta or line trim will be included at dispatch as well, with sportier styling, trim-restrictive inside and outside plan components, and a XDS electronic differential. Seemingly most great. Estimating will commence at $18,545, undermining the old model.